Hello, this is Bob from Must Outdoor. Let me introduce a lunch bag from Must Outdoor. This lunch bag is really sharp and really stylish and has a really great design. And let me take a look at the detail of this lunch bag. At this front pocket, you can fit in your snacks and keys, small stuff in here. On the side, there's two mesh pockets to fit in your coffee, your drinks. Inside this lunch bag has a really thick layer of this layer of the insulated cooler, so it can hold your foods warm, keeps warm, and your drinks stay cold for a really long time. And it's really easy to close. Just close the zipper and lift. So this is a really cool and really nice cooler. If you cooler's lunch bag. If you're interested in this product, contact us and leave us an emails or check out the website mustoutdoor.com. Thanks for watching.